This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Mary Kay Donahoe, less than bedroom greater than number 570,308. Turnkey beauty on the main channel of Westlake Lake. Enter under delightful flowering arches. 1-story, 4-bedroom home with pretty travertine floors, open floor plan, private atrium and sparkling pool and spa. Lots of plantation shutters. You can tell that the owner loved this home. If you saw this while we were waiting for some construction to be completed, you will want to come back and see it now. This is a rare gem. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Kay Donahoe, less than bedroom greater than number 570,308 at 805-402-9115.